everyone, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I just kind of wanted to come online real quick and talk to you a little bit about how I make a full-time income online. If you've watched any of my videos before, you know that I talk about this a lot, and there's always information in the description for you to find out more information if you're interested in it. But I thought I'd do like a little brief explanation of how I got into what it is that I do to make a full-time living online. And then also why I think it's a good idea, especially right now. So first of all, I am an affiliate marketer. That's what I do to make a full-time income online. I have affiliated with certain companies and I promote their products. So for those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is, essentially it's just promoting other people's products. You're the middleman between the buyer and the seller. And that's easily done online. So one of the reasons I got into it was because the business model is so simple and an easy point of entry. And so I thought that's something that I could definitely do. With affiliate marketing, you don't have to ship items. You don't have to hold inventory. You don't have to create products. You're selling someone else's product. And so you don't have to worry about any of that stuff. You're also not going to have to worry about returns or customer service. If there's a problem with any of the products, that's what the company is going to have to deal with. You're just going to be getting a commission, basically. And so that's what makes it a really easy and a really good business model, in my opinion. And so that's why I originally got into it. And I'll tell you how I got started. I actually came across, after researching it a little bit, I came across a training program that I promote here on this channel, which is called Wealthy Affiliate. And that's how I learned how to do everything that when it comes to affiliate marketing. I step by step, I followed their training program, and I had my first website up and running I had it up and running in less than a day, and I made my first sale within the first month. That's why I highly recommend that training program. It's the equivalent maybe of getting a degree at a college. It's so in-depth and covers all aspects of affiliate marketing. So that's why it's always been my number one recommendation. And I still continue to use it to this day. It's my back office. That's where I go to start my day. That's where all my websites are hosted. I currently have 4 that I am building and maintaining. And they all bring in money at this point. So that's where I have basically everything is within the Wealthy Affiliate platform. But I'm still utilizing the training as well. They're always updating it because, things on the internet always change. So it's always good to kind of have the best and most up-to-date information and know how to utilize some of these new platforms that come along. For instance, when Instagram came along, I was able to utilize the training there and find out the best way to use, sites like Instagram and things like that in order to help promote my affiliate products. So that's how I got started, was through Wealthy Affiliate, and it's free to sign up. You can learn a whole lot just through the free program. But you can also get the paid premium if you decide to kind of make this your full-time income. I highly recommend you do that. And I'll leave it, as always, there's always a link in the description to Wealthy Affiliate. That's because that's my number one recommendation for people. And so I like them to have that opportunity to go ahead and sign up. And if you do sign up with that link in the description, you're going to get access to me. I'm going to be there to help you along the way in any way possible. I will, if you need me to, I can go and check out your website and give you constructive criticism, maybe help you out if you get stuck in any way. I've had a lot of people have asked me for, a little bit of help here and there, and I'm more than happy to help in any way. So anyway, that's in the description. The other thing I want to talk about was why is affiliate marketing a good idea to get started in right now. Currently, it is August of 2020. If you're watching this later at a later date, that would be important to know, because right now, obviously, we're in the middle of a bit of a situation, a pandemic, if you will. And so the reason why affiliate marketing is a great thing to get into at this point in time is because so many people are online right now. So many people are stuck in their homes, and they're having to purchase things online because they can't go to stores, they can't get out. So because of that, it's a great time to get into this, because I not only believe that once we're past all this and everything gets back to normal, we're able to go out and go to stores and purchase like we normally would. I still believe people are going to continue to purchase online. That's just my thoughts on it, and I think that the society is kind of just moving that direction. The infrastructure's already been there for people to be purchasing online, but I think they're just going to continue beyond this. And so this is a great time to get into affiliate marketing. The other thing is, you probably are one of those people stuck at home. And so you have a lot of time in your hands. What better time than right now to go through the training, build a website, and just build your own business and be your own boss. Then you don't have to go back to work when things reopen again. You can work from home and make a full-time living in the comfort of your own home, or wherever you want to travel to once that opens back up again, or whatever. So that's why I think it's a really perfect time for affiliate marketing, just for those reasons alone. I think it's always a good time, but I think this is definitely an opportunity that people should take advantage of right now. So that being said, one other thing before I leave this video today is I wanted to kind of talk about my channel. I have made a commitment to myself to post more on this channel and try to maintain a schedule. So I want to talk about that for a minute. What I plan on doing is uploading a video every day, Monday through Friday, and I'm planning on kind of doing on several different topics. So I was thinking 2 videos would be kind of like your basic money-making sites, the survey sites, doing a review of those kind of things, and then 2 videos more about affiliate marketing in general, and the tools and resources that I use, and maybe be getting specific into that kind of thing. And then 1 video a week, kind of like on Fridays, probably when I'll do it, is just kind of a video like this, where I can talk about just online entrepreneurship in general, maybe even some Q&As in the future, whatever. That's kind of my schedule. That's what I'm thinking. I want to provide value to you guys, and in several different ways. I know a lot of people that come to this channel, they're looking to make money online, and then I know some people are looking to build a business online. So I want to kind of touch on both sides of that, because I do both of them. Even though I make a full-time living, I still have those websites that I go to and make a little bit of money here and there. And so I'd be more than willing to kind of do some reviews on some of those sites, because I think it's important to know which ones are a waste of time, which ones you should avoid, which ones may even be scams, and then also which ones are useful, and which ones you can use to, some of the ones I use actually make me a pretty good amount of money, to be quite honest. They pay for at least a bill or 2 of mine every month. They're equivalent to maybe my water and my gas bill, and just from taking 5 minutes out of my day to do a couple of surveys, or do a couple of these little websites that are fun to do. And so I'd like to share that with you guys as well. But then also I want to get a little bit more in depth into the affiliate marketing world, and kind of show you the tools and the resources that I use every day in my business that help me to make my living online, and have allowed me to work from home and just be my own boss, basically. So that's my plan for the future of this channel. If you like this kind of content, or you're interested in this, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. There'll be plenty of content for you to take advantage of and utilize to help you make money online. Alright, so thank you so much for tuning in today, and I will see you guys in the next video.